Terra LUNA Classic has never done this before, and what's next for Lunc? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. So let's start with the Lunc price analysis. Lunc price is facing strong bearish pressure on the daily technical chart. It is trading below the 20 and 50-day EMAs. The crypto has failed to break above its key resistance levels near the EMAs in the past few months, despite several attempts by bulls. Lunc is currently trading near 0.30's $120, with a marginal gain in the intraday session. Lunc has a potential upside target of 0.30's $192, but it needs to overcome the bearish momentum and surge above the 200-day EMA. The crypto has a support level of 0.30's $106, which could prevent further downside. Lunc price prediction suggests that the crypto is in the firm grip of the bears. The technical indicators favor the bears, projecting a pessimistic perspective for the buyers. RSI and stochastic RSI oscillators are moving near the overbought zone, whereas the major EMA lines act as barrier points for Lunc price. The company's performance could have been better throughout the year. It returned 12.87% in the year-to-date period and 47.17% over the last 6 months, 44.45% last month, and 15.09% last week. This shows a persistent bearish trend that is not reversed yet. Lunc is trading under the 50 and 200-day daily moving averages, which are not upholding the price trend. The current value of RSI is 40.35 points. The 14 SMA is above the median line at 44.41 points, which indicates that the Lunc is bearish. The MACD line is below the signal line heading downward. A bearish crossover is observed in the MACD indicator, which signals more bearishness for the Lunc price. The weekly chart of Lunc reveals that the sellers have been dominant. The crypto has been on a downward trend as it is trying to break below the key EMAs. The technical indicators also confirm the bearish sentiment, as the RSI is near the oversold zone at 53, and the MACD has formed red bars and a bearish crossover. These signals indicate that the crypto may face more upside pressure in the coming weeks. Now let's talk about latest Lunc burn news. Binance executed a substantial burn of 3.90 billion Terra LUNA Classic coins in December, leading to a remarkable surge in Lunc trade volume on the cryptocurrency exchange. In the latest development, the world's largest crypto exchange, Binance, sent 5.5 billion Terra LUNA Classic to the burn address in the 17th batch of the Lunc burn mechanism. With this recent burn, Binance has now eliminated over 49 billion Terra Classic tokens derived from trading fees on Lunc Spot and margin trading pairs. The introduction of a USTC perpetual contract and new USTC and Lunc trading pairs by Binance and other cryptocurrency exchanges has significantly boosted the token's trading volume. The burn event has sparked a positive momentum in the Terra Classic ecosystem, resulting in notable gains of up to 5% for its tokens, including Luna, Lunc, and USTC in today's trading. This strategic move by Binance, involving significant token burns, showcases the exchange's commitment to maintaining a balance in the Terra ecosystem and enhancing the value proposition of Terra-based tokens. Investors and traders are closely observing the market dynamics following this burn event, anticipating potential impacts on the Terra token ecosystem in the coming days. The synergy of new trading pairs, a perpetual contract, and token burns illustrates the dynamic nature of the Terra ecosystem and its responsiveness to market trends and demands. And now let's talk about latest Terra Classic price prediction. While past performance should never be taken as an indicator of future results, knowing Lunc's price history can give us some useful context when it comes to either interpreting an already existing Terra Classic price prediction or making one of our own. We're going to focus on the Lunc coin as it has existed since May 2022, but it is useful to note the highlights of its previous incarnation. When Terra first came onto the open market in July 2019, it was worth around $1.30. This price soon proved to be something of an overvaluation, and it fell to below $1, where it stayed until early 2021 when the token broke over $1 in January and moved to reach a periodic high of $22.33 on the 21st of March. There was a drop-off over the following months and a return to form later in the year, hitting a high of $133 on the 27th of December. What was then known as Luna enjoyed some notable price action in the first few months of 2022, reaching an all-time high of $119. $18 on the 5th of April. Following the crash, it sank to an all-time low of 0.40's $167 on the 13th of May. On the 28th of May, the day that the new Luna came into being and the old one became Lunc, the coin closed at 0.40's $956. The news that the Celsius crypto lending platform had canceled withdrawals confirmed the bear market, sending Lunc down to a low of 0.40's $517 on the 18th of June. In late August, the price shot up to close the month at 0.30's $225. The announcement of proposals to introduce a 1.2% tax on transactions on the blockchain saw Terra Classic reach a high of 0.30's $588 on the 8th of September 2022. The proposals went through on the 21st of September, but Lunc's price dropped to around 0.30's $185 on the morning of the 26th of September 2022. By lunchtime that day, however, after the news that the South Korean authorities had contacted Interpol about Kwon, and perhaps more importantly, after Binance announced that it was to put in place a 1.2% burn on Lunc trades, the price shot up, with the crypto trading at around 0.30's $31. On the 2nd of October 2022, it hit a high of 0.30's $361 before settling down to trade at about 0.30's $29 on the 12th of October. Following the collapse and bankruptcy of the FTX exchange, Lunc dropped to a low of 0.30's $148 on the 22nd of November before making something of a recovery to 0.30's $165 on the 30th of November. The following day, it emerged that Binance had burned more than 6 billion Lunc, sending the price up significantly, and by the 2nd of December 2022, it was worth 0.30's $180. With 5.9 trillion Lunc in circulation out of a total supply of just over 6.8 trillion, it had a market cap of just over $1 billion, making it the 39th largest crypto by that metric. Let's take a look at some of the Terra coin price predictions that were being made on the 2nd of December 2022. It is important to point out that price forecasts, especially for something as potentially volatile as cryptocurrency, are often wrong. Long-term crypto price predictions are often made using an algorithm, which means they can change at a moment's notice. CoinCodex had a somewhat optimistic short-term Terra Classic crypto price prediction, saying that it thought the coin could reach 0.30's $187 by the 7th of December and 0.30's $222 by the 1st of January 2023. The site's technical analysis was rated as neutral, with 15 indicators making bullish signals against 12 making bearish O1 NES. Digital Coin Price had a Lunc crypto price prediction that saw it potentially trade at around 0.30's $212 this year, before reaching 0.30's $453 next year and 0.30's $627 the year after that. By 2025, the site said Lunc could be worth 0.30's $780. In 2027, the forecast suggested Lunc could be worth 0.30's $948, moving to 0.20's $133 by 2028, and potentially closing the decade at 0.20's $188. The site then went on to make a Terra Classic price prediction for 2030 that said it could trade at 0.20's $255, before arguing it could potentially stand at 0.20's $346 in 2031. Captain Altcoin was rather more downbeat in terms of its Lunc price prediction, saying the coin could fall to 0.30's $1 by January 2023 and only recover slightly to 0.30's $2 by December 2023. Its Terra Classic price prediction for 2025 said the coin could grow to hit 0.30's $3, but that was as positive as this prediction got, since the site went on to predict that Lunc could lose all its value by December 2027. There were no signs of hope in its 2030 forecast or its Terra Classic price prediction for 2040 either, confirming that the site believed Lunc could remain a dead coin. Finally, Wallet Investor was bullish when it came to making a Terra Classic price prediction for 2023. The site said the coin's value could rise to 0.30's $499 by December 2023 and potentially move to 0.20's $186 in 5 years' time. So what the price for Lunc do you predict in the near future? Disclaimer, this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, And make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.